Welcome to our video on pH and buffers, two important concepts in chemistry. pH is a measure of the acidity or basicity of a solution. On the pH scale, 0-6.9 is acidic, 7 is neutral, and 7.1-14 is basic. Buffers are solutions that resist changes in pH when an acid or base is added. They help maintain a stable pH level in biological systems, like our blood. Buffers are made of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base and its conjugate acid. The key is that buffers can absorb excess H jod or O ions without drastically changing the pH. This ability to resist pH changes is crucial for many biological processes. Think of buffers like a safety net for maintaining the balance in our bodies. Without buffers, our pH levels would fluctuate wildly, causing harm. In the human body, buffers like bicarbonate help regulate the pH of our blood and other fluids. This is important for enzymes to function properly and maintain homeostasis. Buffer capacity is a measure of how effectively a buffer can resist changes in pH. The closer the pH of a buffer is to its pKa, the better it can resist changes. Understanding pH and buffers is essential for various fields like biology, medicine, and environmental science. They play a crucial role in maintaining equilibrium in natural systems. By learning about pH and buffers, we gain insights into the delicate balance of nature. Next time, we will delve deeper into the intricacies of how buffers work in different scenarios. Stay tuned for more fascinating chemistry topics.